What's good? What's good, my people? It's your boy Kim back again. Nadiri representing Key Money Capital. Na leo ni deadly nani? Leo ni deadly nani? So we are seeing how this is played out perfectly right there. We never made that trade, but yo, all things upside. I mean, it's a tough market right now. You can see big, big blue chip altcoins, the $1 billion mark, are dumping 20% a day. This is crazy. This is crazy. This is crazy. It's not an easy thing. We are also seeing the stock market crashing. It's not easy. When the S&P drops, whooping 2% in a day, this is what we expect in alts, right? So first things first, make sure you collect your diamonds on CoinMarketCap. Make sure you collect your candies on CoinGecko. I've already done that for mine. Now before we leave CoinGecko, let me just check the volume and see if we got any changes. Of course, XRP is leading right here. It has already surpassed USD coin. I don't know what's happening with XRP right there. Of course, they're about to win the case. Hopefully, they're gonna resolve that. We are still having Luna, and Phantom is also coming up nice and easy, right? So we want to know that so that we know what coins we're gonna trade. We also want to look at the funding rate so that we know on which side of the equation are we seated. Are the exchanges seducing longs or shorts? And in this case, we are seeing we have a negative funding rate on FTX. Of course, this is where we are trading, so we are looking at FTX, and they have a negative funding rate, which means now longs are being incentivized, right? Of course, longs are being incentivized because they're being given at a discount. We come at CoinGlass right here. Look at the 1 hour refresh and see the long to short ratio. Look at this. Kraken is crazy. Shorts all the way. Oh my god. And apparently on the 1 hour the shorts are still very dominant apart from Kraken. I don't know what's wrong with Kraken, but anyway, it is what it is. This keeps on giving me this thing all the time, man. Shit. I have to keep on putting my email every single day, and then they start, back. Monero. Then they give me a code. Cointelegraph, what's new, what's new, what's new here? Bitcoin admins Russian national will use source of banning passport to help Ukraine. Sex refused blanket as a freeze on Russian users. Binance has refused to ban Russian users off of its platform in Ukraine, which is amazing. I mean, why would they do that? That's yeah. What's Solana? How does it work? Top 5 currencies to watch: BTC, XRP, Monero, Waves. Okay. Cronje quits as TVL and token tanks for related projects. DeFi Godfather Cronje. Ah. Wow, this is crazy. Is this what has made Phantom drop 20%? Wow, this is crazy. This is crazy. Okay, so we want to know um, what news are there. Let's see, markets. We are seeing oil trading at $125 from negative 40 in 2020. This is crazy what's happening. That's why we are seeing these oil gas prices going up the roof. And people are complaining, oh, lower food prices and all that. But then you don't understand it. But that is not the government fault, guys. It's a global supply and chain issue, which is transitory, which means, it's temporary. It's not something that's going to be here for long until, all these things are cooled down and, things come back to normal. But in the meantime, you're going to see that short-term pain. So this is the Luna chart. Let's start with the Bitcoin chart and see where we are from the weekly standpoint, where we are making a very bad candlestick that, you guys don't want to see, guys. Look at that. look at this dildo right here, guys. This week tells us that we have a lot of selling pressure, strong selling momentum, which is gonna take us all the way to this support zone right here that I put from this channel. We just broke our value area, means we're gonna go all the way down. I thought we were going to retest this value area first, okay, before we go down, but now seems like the sellers are so strong for that at 37,900. It's crazy. It's crazy what's happening. And this is a weekly time frame, guys. It's a higher time frame, which means it's even daily. Just like this candlestick right here is the same as this. It's a very bearish candlestick, which means it's about to go down. It's about to go down, guys. It's about to go down. Look at the daily time frame. We have been a consistent streak of downtrend for the past 1 week. Okay, just after the pump from the Russia's buying Bitcoin, we're now seeing a strong, very strong dump, which is painful, guys. It's not something to laugh about. It's causing a lot of chaos. Yeah, but all in all, guys, I feel it's gonna come to retest this value area before we see a strong downtrend, because if it was really strong and we have a lot of strong selling pressure, would have seen us come all the way down. So if we come retest it one last time, okay, we come retest this value area one last time before we further go down, I will be very glad and I will be happy. So we do that today. When we get to the US session now, let's dump, and I'll be waiting for that. I'll be waiting for it patiently, okay, waiting for that patiently. And if we do that, okay, if we do that, that means we're also going to experience the same kind of treatment as well for Luna right here. So chances are we're going to retest back here, okay, we retest here, then go way back. Yeah, let's see. Let me open up and see if it's gonna work. Channel here, see if it's gonna work. It's really going to work or not. Okay, somewhere there. So that means we have this as our value area. Okay, value area means basically where price, um, the average price range, where we expect bounces like this, and we expect pullbacks when you get there, because it's a strong area, and price will always want to come to retest this area, because this is where majority uh, this is where price, this is the average price, let me call it like that. But essentially uh, we are down below it, so we come retest here. You see, we're gonna still be in the value area region, which is amazing, and then we go back further down, which is gonna be even more amazing, right? So guys, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, right? Share with your friends. Let me know what you guys think about my analysis. Let me know what you guys have done from your end. Let's share notes, and together we're going to make it. Cheers, guys.